Have you ever found the perfect picture online, but there's an annoying watermark right across it? Maybe it's for a school project, a thumbnail, a presentation, or just something you want to save. Well, in this video, I'll show you how to remove watermarks from any image completely for free, and the best part is, you don't need Photoshop or any paid tools. Let's get started. The first tool you can use is Cleanup.pictures. This website uses AI to erase objects, text, or watermarks in just a few seconds. All you need to do is upload your image, highlight the watermark with your brush, and let the AI do the magic. Most of the time, the watermark disappears smoothly without leaving any visible trace. It works especially well on simple backgrounds like sky, grass, or solid colors. The second option is Pixlr, a powerful online editor that comes with a heal and clone tool. This one gives you more control. If the watermark is complex or covers a detailed background, Pixlr lets you manually clone nearby parts of the image to cover it naturally. It's a little more advanced, but the results can look nearly perfect. And again, it's totally free. Now, if you want something even simpler, try Inpaint. This is one of the easiest free tools for removing unwanted elements from an image. You just paint over the watermark, click, erase, and the website automatically fills the area using AI. It works surprisingly well for text watermarks, logos, scratches, and even people in the background. A quick reminder, always use these tools responsibly. If a watermark belongs to a photographer, artist, or company, make sure you're not violating copyright. These tools are great for your own photos, for learning, or for completely free-to-use images, but not for stealing someone else's work. Before we wrap up, here's a pro tip. If the watermark is placed on a flat area like white background or sky, zoom in and remove it in smaller sections for cleaner results. This gives the AI more accuracy and helps avoid blurry patches. And that's it. You now know 3 powerful tools to remove watermarks from images without paying a single dollar. Cleanup.pictures for fast and automatic removal, Pixlr for manual precision, and Inpaint for easy, one-click cleaning. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.